All right, guys, welcome back to another video from NJ. So I've heard a lot of people say that the Galaxy Z Flip 4 cameras are, mediocre at best, and they're pretty much the same old cameras and comments like that. So today I'm going to go ahead and put it against the S22 Ultra in a blind camera test. I'm not going to label these and tell you which one is which. I want you to be able to just give me your true thoughts about them and which one you genuinely like the most. And I'm not going to reveal this on the YouTube channel. I'll probably do it on social media somewhere, Instagram or Twitter or something. But for now, check out this footage. This is a very short video. I shot a couple of minutes of video footage and you'll hear the microphones and you'll hear both devices. And so it's going to be interesting because a lot of people don't have too many good things to say about the Z Flip 4's cameras. And I know they're great. I know the microphones are great. Now, we all know the Ultra is a beast. But how does it do against this little baby cousin, from a different generation? What do we do with that? So let's check this out, and I hope you enjoy the video. All right, we out here with the S22 Ultra and the Z Flip 4. This is a stabilization test. Yes, my grass is dead because we had about a month and a half worth of no rain. So my beautiful green grass is gone. I'll fix it though. I'm not worried about it. I got a green thumb. I'm growing it out. If you know what I'm talking about, you got to grow it back out, get the levels right. I got some seeding going on. I'm turning that over there. Yeah. Anyway, stabilization, man. Here we are. Check this out. How's the noise and wind going? Can you even tell the difference between these two phones? For cameras, a storm came through. Remember my ginormous shed that was right there? The storm came. Look at the shadow. You can see I got both phones on the handheld tripod. But a storm came through and knocked down my entire fence, and then it also took my shed. Remember, I had a big 18-foot trampoline. The storm took that and lifted it up and put it in that community. It was incredible. Grandchildren's pool. So I had to break everything down. It was a mess. Stabilization, folks. Let's hit the zoom on them. Ooh, that was perfect on both. Pretty soon this view will be full of houses, which I don't like. All right, guys, so there you have it, man. That was harder than you thought it was going to be, I'm sure, because when I look at the footage after the fact, watch with you, it's pretty tough. These are hard to tell apart. That's why when people make frivolous comments like, oh, the one phone is trash or blah, 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 people also hate to see you do things like this for some reason. Listen, I'm in agreement with you. Their Ultra is a beast. It is a beast of a phone, but it can still be matched or even taken down depending on the scenario. So in this situation with a blind camera test, you have no idea which one of these was which. I'll reveal it later on. Once this video gets to a certain amount of likes and a certain amount of views, I'll reveal it and I'll pin the comment down below. I'm not going to tell you when I'm going to do it. It's not going to be a long wait, but I'm going to pin the comment down below with the answer of which phone is which. So I know some of you guys are gonna feel some type of way. And then some of you guys are also going to be shocked, like, whoa, the Ultra slammed it, or the Ultra, this was the Ultra, or this was the Flip. It's like that because to me, when I look at these are so close. I mean, really close. So let's look at physically. Look at the hard or just the settings here. Join on here, so you get more stuff, more camera lenses with the Ultra. But if you're just shooting basic footage like that, these are identical. So I don't know. Tell me which one down below you think is the one, and I will definitely pin the comment once I get to a certain amount of likes and a certain amount of views on this video. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed blind camera test, the Ultra versus the Flip, or the Flip versus the Ultra, or is it Samsung versus Samsung? See you in the next one. Take care.